YourWallet is a mobile wallet, allowing you to store two types of cards: digital passes, PK Pass format, and digitized loyalty cards. All your non-payment cards can thus be kept in one place, always at your fingertips. If you want to add a card, simply open the app. Click on the plus button in the bottom right hand corner and select whether you want to scan a QR code or digitize a plastic loyalty card. If you've received a download link for a digital pass, click on the link on your phone after you've downloaded the app. The pass will automatically open in your wallet. You can organize all your cards and passes using default categories like loyalty cards or tickets, or you can create custom categories to keep your wallet organized. When using a digital pass issued by a merchant, the pass can be dynamically updated with changes to loyalty points or offers, or you can be notified when your insurance is about to expire. The app is only around 5 megabytes, and each card is an extra 3.5 megabytes on average, so you are not only saving the environment, but also valuable storage in your phone.